a small presentation on our body and its organ system. Our body and its organ system. The human body consists of parts which perform different actions. For these parts to do their works, there are special systems inside the body. The organ system. The human body is made up of thousands of tiny parts called cells. Many cells together make a tissue. Many tissues together make an organ. Organ that work together form an organ system. The picture of cells, tissues, organ and its organ system. This is a picture of cell, tissue, organ and its organ system. These are the organ systems. There are 7 organ systems: skeletal system, muscular system, respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system and excretory system. The picture of skeletal system, it consists of bones. The definition of skeletal system. The skeletal system is made up of bones which perform different actions. There are 206 bones in the human body. The function of skeletal system, it gives a shape and support to the all parts of the body. It also protects organ inside from injury. This is a picture of muscular system. It consists of muscles. The definition of muscular system. The muscular system is made up of muscles which cover the bones. There are about 600 muscles in the human body. The function of muscular system, it helps the bone move. It helps us jump, walk, run, play, eat and bend in various other ways. This is a picture of respiratory system. It consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. The definition of respiratory system. The respiratory system is made up of the nose, windpipe and lungs. The function of respiratory system, it helps us breathe. The air we breathe passes through tube, passes through our nose, windpipe and lungs. The air we breathe in is called inhaler. The air we breathe out is called exhaler. This is a picture of digestive system. It consists of mouth, food pipe, stomach, large intestine, small intestine and anus. The definition of digestive system. The digestive system is made up of mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. The function of digestive system, it breaks down the food that we eat in a simpler form. This food gives us energy to study, to work, to play and to grow. The picture of circulatory system, it consists of heart, blood vessels and blood. The definition of circulatory system. The circulatory system is made up of the heart, blood vessels and blood. The function of circulatory system, it carries blood to all parts of the body. The heart pumps the blood, passes through tubes called blood vessels. The blood carries digested food and oxygen to all parts of the body. The picture of nervous system, it consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. The definition of nervous system. The nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. The function of nervous system, it controls every action of the body. It helps the body feel and do different things such as see, hear, taste, touch, talk, walk and so on. The nervous system helps us feel changes in our surroundings. The picture of a consists of pairs of kidneys. The definition